Hey guys, Dave is the smartest guy ever. He did the most amazing thing. I love this guy. You know, he had a tough day at school. He got this picture. He came home, tried to play Xbox, but it wouldn't open, so he did this.
It's not gonna work.
See how it's not working? Yeah, Dave's the smartest guy ever. Wait for this to stop.
It's not gonna work.
Dave is the best
We
guy
tried it.
in the world.
We tried already.
Ready? Check out Dave.
What the heck? We took the candy apart 4 times!
Yeah, Dave, I love you. So guys, it's not working again because he doesn't know how to make it work. Charlie, attempt it. Go ahead. Do your thing. Okay. Let's watch how Dave told me. I love you, Dave. You want to record this for me? Camera? So you do this and go. Put it in and you go. Oh, you don't need to do that, but it still works. So now we can play a game. I love the world.